channel. Today we're going to be drawing a Poké Ball, so let's get started. So first we're going to be drawing a circle. So next we're going to be drawing the little circle on the inside. So we're going to be drawing another circle in the circle that we drew. So then now we're going to be drawing a line on each side. Now let's draw a second line underneath the first line. Now it's time to color. So you only need two colors, and those colors are black and red. So now let's color. I'm done coloring. So this is how it looks like. And if you need more time to color, you can just pause the video. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and like this video and share it with your friends. Bye!